Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send a calendar invite in Gmail. This is a fantastic way to schedule meetings directly from your inbox without switching between apps, making coordination with colleagues or clients much more efficient. First, open your web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Gmail account. This ensures you're working from the right inbox when sending out your invitation. Once you're in, click the Compose button to start drafting a new email. Alternatively, if you're already in a conversation thread and want to send an invite as part of that discussion, simply open that existing email chain. This flexibility allows you to integrate calendar invites seamlessly into your ongoing communications. Now look at the bottom of the Compose window where you'll see a row of icons. Click on the three dots icon, which opens additional options. From this menu, select Set up a time to meet. This feature is specifically designed to turn your email into a calendar invitation without leaving Gmail. Next, click Create an Event from the menu that appears. A right side panel will slide open, and this is where you'll configure all the important details of your meeting. Start by adding a clear, descriptive title for your event so recipients immediately understand what the meeting is about. Then, set the date and time for when you want the meeting to occur. Be precise here to avoid any scheduling confusion. In the Add Guests field, type in the email addresses of everyone you want to invite. Gmail will automatically send them the invitation and add the event to their calendars. You also have optional fields available. You can add a Google Meet link if you're hosting a virtual meeting, or include a physical location if it's an in-person gathering. There's also space for a description where you can include an agenda or any notes attendees should review beforehand. Take a moment to review all the details you've entered. Double-check the time, date, and guest list to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Send at the bottom of the panel. Your calendar invite will now appear as a summary directly in the body of your email. When you send the message, all guests will receive the invite in their inbox, and the event will automatically populate on their Google Calendars. This streamlined process keeps everyone on the same page and eliminates back-and-forth scheduling emails. Thanks for watching.